Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. We have du equals to e to the power of s ds. So this one we change by u. E to the power of s ds we change by du. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine a squared equals to 1 minus cosine 2a over number 2. So we will apply this formula for this one. So we have 1 minus cosine 2u over number 2. So number 2 I will put outside. So we have about 1 minus cosine 2u. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, you got about u. The integration of cosine 2u, we have 1 over 2 sine 2u. And we put about c in here. About u, that's about e to the power of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.